Hello, in this video we'll be looking at why does it say no service on your iPhone and how to fix it. The first option that I would recommend you do is restart your iPhone. So you'll simply press down on the power button to turn off your iPhone and then restart it. The second option is by simply going into settings and you're going to tap right where you see airplane mode. You're going to toggle that on and off. And if that doesn't help, the other option that I would recommend you do is you simply want to double check your SIM card to ensure that the SIM card is installed properly. If you have done that and it is still not working, I would recommend that you tap right where you see mobile data, then select network selections, and you are going to toggle on automatic. After doing that, you are going to simply go back and you want to check if it is working now. If it is still not working, you are going to go down in settings and you are going to select general. And from here, you are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you are going to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then you are going to tap on reset. And you are going to simply tap on reset network settings, and that's it. Hope one of these steps were able to help you. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.